हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं हमारी क्लोथिंग से रिलेटेड फ्रेजल वर्ब्स। फ्रेजल वर्ब्स होते क्या हैं? फ्रेजल वर्ब्स आर two or more words that together act as a completely new verb. Okay, like pick up, put on, zip up, unzip. ये सारे क्या हैं? हमारे क्लोथिंग फ्रेजल वर्ब्स। तो चलिए एक एक करके इनको पढ़ते हैं और शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे फर्स्ट फ्रेजल वर्ब से। Wrap up. Wrap up, that means to put warm clothes on. गरम कपड़े पहनना. Example, wrap well. It's cold outside. Second is put on. That means to dress yourself in something. Example, he put on his new coat and went out. Zip up, to close the zipper. He zipped up his jacket. Unzip, to open the zip. Example, he unzipped his jeans. Unbuckle, to open the belt. Example, he unbuckled his belt. Unhook, to undo the hooks on clothes. Example, she unhooked her innerwear when she came back home. Take off, to remove clothing. Please take off your shoes before entering the room. Take in, to make it smaller and tighter. कई बार चीजें काफी लूज होती हैं जब आप खरीदते हैं, राइट? उसके बाद आपको फिटिंग करानी पड़ती है, करेक्ट? So here, if it is like you are making it smaller and tighter, then you can use this example. Like you should take this shirt in at the waist, alright? Next is let out, to make clothing wider. जब हम कपड़े खुले कराते हैं, then we say let out. Example, I'm going to have this dress let out. Take up, to make a piece of clothing shorter. जब कोई चीज ज्यादा लंबी हो और उसको छोटा कराना हो, तब आप क्या कहते हैं? Take up. These denims are too long. I need to take them up. So try utilizing these phrasal verbs in your daily life and sound like a pro. So it was lovely connecting with you all. Stay tuned for daily English learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.